I love reading books blank. I don't have much time for it. I love reading books but I don't have much time for it. She is smart blank. She works hard. She is smart because she works hard. Do you want tea blank coffee? Do you want tea or coffee? I will go to the party blank. I finish my homework. I will go to the party if I finish my homework. He is tired blank. He stayed up late. He is tired because he stayed up late. She likes both singing blank dancing. She likes both singing and dancing. I will meet you blank 5 o'clock. I will meet you at 5 o'clock. He didn't study blank. He failed the exam. He didn't study so he failed the exam. Do you prefer summer blank winter? Do you prefer summer or winter? She is not only intelligent blank hardworking. She is not only intelligent but also hardworking. I will go blank. My parents give me permission. I will go if my parents give me permission. He is poor blank honest. He is poor but honest. I love watching movies. I don't like horror films. I love watching movies but I don't like horror films. She will join us. She's free. She will join us if she's free. He ran fast. He missed the bus. He ran fast but he missed the bus. I will eat pizza. Pasta. I will eat either pizza or pasta. She studied hard. She got good grades. She studied hard so she got good grades. I'm feeling tired. I need to rest. I'm feeling tired so I need to rest.
Did you like this video? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Practice English with Ratna. Thank you so much for watching.